Hello everyone, welcome back to Vlogmas day number 16. My name is David, you're watching Adventures of David and Aaron, and today I'm going to show you another fudge recipe using only 2 items. We're going to make peanut butter fudge. What you're going to need: a bowl, a spatula, a pan lined with wax paper and some aluminum foil. You're going to need 1 pound of vanilla cream, vanilla frosting, and then 1 pound of peanut butter. So you want to take your cake frosting. I used a Duncan Hines creamy vanilla. And you want to take your peanut butter. I just used a regular store brand. Remove the lids. Place these into the microwave and heat it on high for 1 minute until the frosting and the peanut butter are melted. Okay everyone, once your peanut butter and your frosting is melted, you want to pour your peanut butter into the bowl. Put your peanut butter in there first. Be careful, the containers could be very warm. You can take a spatula and get out all that peanut butter. Then you're going to take your icing that you melted and pour that in there. And then you're going to mix it. After your icing and peanut butter mixture is all mixed, then you're going to pour it into the pan with the wax paper. You just let it all go into the pan. Your next step will be to smooth out the fudge into the pan. So after you have smoothed out the peanut butter fudge, you're going to place it into the refrigerator for 2 hours. Then we're going to come back, pull it out, place it on a cutting board, and cut the fudge. Alright everyone, now that your fudge has been in the refrigerator for 2 hours, you want to pull it out of the refrigerator, place it upside down on a cutting board, and then you will be able to cut your fudge. Okay, so now our fudge is nice and firm. You want to take it on the sides of the pan. And then there's your fudge. Next step, you want to take a knife and cut your fudge. Everyone, we hope you enjoyed our easy fudge recipe. Please help us out by giving this video a nice thumbs up. As for it helps us here on YouTube. Follow us on our other social media at Adventures of David and Aaron on Instagram and Adventures of DNA on Twitter. And we will see you in another video here real soon. And remember everyone, enjoy life, make it an adventure.